parents and dear cadets, we are here at the War Memorial of the school, having paid our tribute and homage to all the brave hearts of our country who have laid down their life for Kargil War in 1999. We always pay our tribute to the brave hearts all the time in every function of ours. And today is a very special day on this 22nd Vijay Divas, Kargil Vijay Divas. We have paid homage to all the souls who have contributed to the safety of our nation. The country is already reeling through the pandemic, followed by heavy rainfall across the country and the world. I'm sure some of you must be already feeling the issue of flood and other things. Please take care of yourself and ensure that you continue attending the classes and also be in touch with the school regularly through whatever possible communication that is being made from the school. As usual, we are missing your presence here, and we are missing the usual activities that would have taken place on this Kargil Vijay Divas. Notwithstanding that, you are being back at home, you have plenty of time to know what has happened in Kargil in 1999, how India came victorious with all three our defense forces fighting against our intruding enemy, Pakistan, in Kargil. I have had almost 2 tenures under 14 Corps and 1 under 8 Mountain Division, which was actively involved in 1999 war, and we have in real time I've seen all those places where these officers and jawans have led and fought against the intruding enemy. There cannot be any other services that can match with the defense forces in your life. Be assured about this point. Yesterday we heard Major General retired Ian Cardozo speaking about how life becomes adventurous when you are part of defense forces. You don't have to go searching for adventurous activities. Being in defense force itself and adventure in itself. You don't need stories to be made. Your life itself will become a story or a true events that will motivate everybody else around you. So being in Sainik schools, all that we wish is that you make very genuine endeavors or attempt to get into defense forces, and you all someday don this uniform and live a life dedicated to the country 24/7. Thank you everyone. We miss your presence here in the school, but back at home, please take care of yourself, and all the best. Jai Hind.